There is a 5-year warranty. There is a standard warranty that comes with 3 years. You can add up to 5 years for an extra 5,000 rupees, and 8 years up to 8,000 for 8,400 rupees. We are also the only electric OEM that offers 8 years warranty on battery and motor. No questions asked. Replacement warranty. And a bit about the plan. Today we opened the 34th store in Delhi. Now we are going to open another 50 stores by March. We'll have 80 stores by March. So we are actually quite focused on the south market. Now we are spreading out. So the plan is to open 80 by March 2026 in the next few months. So that brings us to the end of the presentation. We can get scooters are already sold, and we are number 7 EV company in India last month. So we are bringing a very proven product to Delhi, and we are so excited to open the first store in Rajouri Garden today. We will be opening more stores very soon. And Mayuri, tell about
Mayuri जी क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप आज स्टोर का
क्या क्या खूबियाँ हैं जो औरों से अलग करती हैं?
हाँ जी, तो मैं एक सवाल का जवाब दूंगी। तो पहले तो आप सबका धन्यवाद आप आने के लिए, और जो दिल्ली में स्टोर ओपन हो रहा है, हमको बहुत टाइम से आना था दिल्ली, क्योंकि दिल्ली को पता है, दिल्ली के लोगों को पता है अच्छी प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है, अच्छी गाड़ी क्या होती है, राइट। तो इसलिए हम बहुत खुश हैं स्टोर ओपनिंग में। तो आज पहला स्टोर है और सबको अच्छा लगेगा, और स्टोर्स खुलेंगे, वो स्टोर के बारे में है। आप पूछ रहे थे खूबी हमारे व्हीकल के बारे में। तो यूटिलिटी लाइफस्टाइल ये जो सेगमेंट है, ये सिर्फ हम ही कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ रिवर की ही गाड़ी है, इसलिए हम इसे SUV ऑफ स्कूटर्स कह रहे हैं। तो जो भी हमारे सारे फीचर्स हमने दिए हैं इस गाड़ी में, जो यूनिक है, जो आपने देखे नहीं है, फ्रंट फुटपैक का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, या 55 लीटर्स लॉकेबल स्टोरेज ले लीजिए, या जो हमारी एक्सेसरीज़ है जो हमारे गाड़ी के साथ आती है, जो आप डाल के आपकी गाड़ी को कितना भी आपको उसका स्टोरेज बढ़ा सकते हो या कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हो। तो ये सारी जो यूनिक चीज़ें हैं सिर्फ रिवर इंडी में मिलती हैं।
मैम, मार्केट स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है यूथ को टारगेट करने के लिए और लोकल पब्लिक को टारगेट करने के लिए नॉर्थ इंडिया में?
See, normally the typical customer that we target is individual businessmen. Like you are running a store, or you are a carpenter, you are a painter. All of the people will need a lot of utilization on the vehicle, utility storage on the vehicle. So those are the real target market for us.
Thank you.
And most of the people below have at least 200 stores. So we are able to do this with only 33 stores and counting. And that is one significance. The second significance is that the price point of the vehicle. We are not on the lower side. We are like 1,50,000. We are a premium product. And most of the products that you see above are all in the range of slightly lower price point. So these are the two important significant measures where the brand and the product are really well accepted by the people and customers in the cities that we sell it. Now I'll talk a little bit about the product development, because this is extremely important, because we are a design company that focuses on technology, where we build the entire product grounds up. Whatever you see is fully designed and developed in the R&D facility in Bangalore, where we start off with the sketching. This is actually a clay model of the vehicle. People actually handcraft the vehicle first in clay, and these are skill sets that only a very few international Japanese and German OEMs have. Even in India, not many companies have the skill set. And this entire inside of the vehicle, I'll show you a better picture of inside of the vehicle, starting from every mechanical part. So this is basically the X-ray of the scooter. This is the battery pack that you see on the floorboard. This is the motor. This is the motor controller. This is the vehicle control unit. Then there is a connectivity module. Every vehicle is connected. So all of this electronics that go into the vehicle, the entire thing is designed and developed in-house. Then we also do the mechanical parts like the wheel, the frame, the plastic parts, the lights. All of that is fully, completely designed in-house. Like a battery. This is the battery pack that goes on the floorboard of the vehicle. So this is got these cells that you saw, around 230 of the cells come together. There is also a battery management system that controls the safety, the charging, the discharging, etc. of the battery pack. That is also fully designed. Now, all of this design, which will include mechanical design, electrical design, electronics design, hardware and software, all come together into build a product. So once the product is built, we also test them extensively. Like for example, we have a test fleet of around 20 vehicles that we just send all over the country and just keep riding. Every day, the job of the team is to just ride the vehicle over and over again. We have already completed 100,000, 1 lakh kilometers on a test vehicle in around 18 months, which means it's a 10-year worth of usage completed in 18 months. And those vehicles have more than 85% charge retention today, which means at the end of 10 years, you will have 85% charge retention on the battery. So it's that well tested. We tested across terrains, across climatic conditions like beaches and temperature ranges of starting from 2 degrees Celsius all the way to 40-45 degrees Celsius, hilly terrains, mud terrains. This is the testing that happened in Ooty in south, which is a hilly terrain. And that is the amount of work that has gone behind Indi, which we call the SUV scooter. So fully indigenously designed and developed in India. And we will reveal the product and show you the product in a bit. But I want to talk about a bunch of these features. So when you say SUV or scooters, and Mayuri also spoke about the focus on utility and livelihood. So we are proudly the most utilitarian scooter being sold in the country today, not only electric. You take any scooter which is being sold in the country, starting from 110 to 125, we are the most utilitarian product that you can use across a variety of applications. Now talking about the specifications. Why do I call Indi the most utilitarian scooter? We have the largest storage in any scooter being sold in the country, which is 55 liters of storage. The closest second scooter in terms of storage is 36 liters. So we have 40% more storage than all most of the scooters being sold in the country. And we also have this 14-inch wheels. Most of the scooters come with 10 or 12 inches. So 14-inch wheel makes a lot of difference in terms of rideability and also ground clearance. Any bad roads, it can just take without breaking a sweat. And the third important thing is we also have a customizable platform. There is all these accessories that gets fitted onto the scooter that we design ourselves, and it can be fitted on the vehicle in less than 30 seconds. You can also remove the accessory when you don't know, starting from these floor cages. I have an entire section to talk about accessories in the next few slides, but that is an extremely important feature. Now, most of the electric scooters that you see out in the market, they are optimized for size. You make it smaller, you make it lighter, you make it more efficient. We have just gone the diagonally opposite direction. We made the product more rugged, more durable. And as a result of which it's a workhorse. So take for example, we are the only electric scooter in the country with a chain drive. Most of the other vehicles come with a belt drive. And how does it impact the customer? For a customer to replace a belt, every year, 10,000 kilometers, you have to do a belt replacement. The cost of replacing the belt drive is around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So that is every 10,000 kilometers, customers shell out 7,000-8,000 to replace the belt. When it comes to chain drive, the durability is more. Instead of 10, the replacement interval goes to 15,000 kilometers. That is an important thing. So once in 2 years only you replace. Second, the replacement cost is only 2,500 rupees compared to 8,000. So we also think about things like, okay, how long is the customer going to use the vehicle?